very nice thick layer of this pack. Is this not shining like a plastic, as if I'm just had a yellow plastic over my face? I think that is because of aloe vera gel. Hello world, namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it and hit that subscribe button, bell button, whatever there it is, just click it, okay, so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. And I am uploading in routine now. I am uploading on every Wednesday and Saturdays, so keep tuned to that. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about and give a demo to you for a base and face pack. If you want some kind of bright skin, if you have tan on your skin, if you want some live in your skin, liveness in the sense that someone look at you and see a nice glow going like this. Okay, just to tell you, I'm not having any makeup. There is no makeup, not even moisturizer. I'm just having my lipstick on, just to show you that I have just washed my face after that face pack, and this is how it looks. I have a shine on my face and my skin looks a little bright. So yeah, so I'm going to give you the demo, and obviously after demo I will tell you what are the do's and don'ts with this pack. I know people will say what will be the don'ts with the besan pack, but there are some don'ts even with this homemade pack. Okay, now I will be listing all the ingredients and the process in the description bar also, but just to tell you, we are taking besan, we are taking aloe vera gel and turmeric. So these are the permanent ingredients if you are making this mask. But if you want to add something else, like you want to jazz up your pack, you can add rose water or lemon, squeeze some lemon into it also. Okay, I will give you how to make the mask, how to apply the mask, how to remove the mask, and then you can see before and after pic of mine. Like I'll be obviously having bare face before also, so yeah, so that you can just rely on what I'm saying. Okay, alright, so we are starting with the bare face. Okay, I have just washed my face, so I'm going to take our main ingredient, and that is besan. That is called gram flour in English. So I would take 2 spoons of gram flour. Okay, like this, right? And then we will gonna add some aloe vera gel to it. And for aloe vera gel, I'll use this Patanjali aloe vera gel, the normal one. And after this, I'm going to use the turmeric. Okay, so I'm taking a 1/4 spoon of turmeric. Don't take it too much because it gives the pigmentation, that yellow pigmentation. So like this much. Okay, this is not even half. So I'm going to drop it like this. So now you can see there is this turmeric and besan, and where is this? There is this aloe vera gel. Okay, it's sticking around the wall. Then I will use some liquid to get it dissolved, because I don't have rose water right now, so I'm using the milk. You can use the milk or the rose water or curd also if you want. Okay, so I'm using milk. I will use 2 spoons of milk in it. This is basically the raw milk. Okay, after this you need to mix everything very well. Take your time with this while you are mixing the paste now, because gram flour is really gritty and it's just not ready to dissolve with your paste. So just take your time while mixing it. So it would look like this, little like this. Just keep mixing it until it's get fully dissolved. So after mixing, this will look like this, a really nice paste. So now I'm going to apply this. Okay, if you have brush, you can apply it with brush, but I'll use my fingers. I have washed my hands very nicely for this. Okay, do not use dirty hands on your face. Now I'm going to apply the mask over my face. I used to do it when I was in my college, like I think my 2nd year something. Yeah. So now I'm going to extend the back. I'm going to apply it on my neck also, because this can be applied
anywhere on your body. Like anywhere on your body. Please recommend me some very nice exceptional songs.
First thing, this is a very old recipe of our homemade face packs. Okay, our dadi nanis, their dadi nanis used to use this basin pack, and it is very effective in improving your skin tone. Okay, I'm talking about improving your skin tone, and this is real. And it's okay if you want to do it, just do it. Okay, there is no need to feel guilty about it. Second thing, when this mask is drying, okay, this is very hard drying on your skin. Like, you cannot really move when you have this on, and if it dried down, you cannot move your face. This is so stiff. So just don't try to move your head like here and there and try to do stuff when you are having this pack. Just calm down and have something that requires less and less movement, okay, so that you don't have the fine lines after removing this. Okay, and I have seen people doing, what they do is, when this is dried, they just start rubbing this thing like this, okay, without having liquid on your hands. So they start to move their fingers like this just to remove that and say this will scrub your skin. No, do not do it on dried skin. Take some liquid, maybe it's water, maybe it's rose water, whatever it is, and then start to remove it like this. Otherwise, you will just, what you're doing is, you're not scrubbing, you're just pushing your skin like this, and this is really bad. Don't do it. Wash it properly. Don't scrub it like this on dried back. Wet it and then remove it. Now, whatever movement you want to do with your hands, do it, but with wet hands. Okay, just first wet your pack and then remove it. Okay, fourthly, this is a messy process. Okay, basin and milk, turmeric, and these things are like this is really messy. So take your time. This will require your time, because if you are having a thick layer of this will take at least like 20-25 minimum minutes. Yeah, it will require this much time. So you need to have patience, you need to have time. Do it if you are free from everything, like maybe in the night time, or if you are having off. Obviously we are in the lockdown, but still don't do it when you are in a hurry, otherwise you're going to mess up everything. Okay, so do not do it if you are in rush. So fifth, don't be so fussy about using the aloe vera gel. We will going to use the raw gel, we will just use this gel or falana gel. Just use any gel. Okay, this is just going to give you a cooling effect, okay, and that will remove your tan and darkness around your face. That is because of the pollution or the sun from the outside. So this just doesn't really matter if you are using raw aloe vera gel or Patanjali aloe vera gel or just any sort of gel. So just be calm and use some aloe vera gel without being cautious about it. I have used raw milk here. You can use curd also, and if you do not have milk, then you can use the curd also in replacement of it. So if you like the video, please share it, okay, like it, comment on it, and subscribe to my channel, and just share it. Okay, this will just improve my views and my watch time. I will meet you in my next video with some great content again. Till then, bye bye.